What's up, guys? It is New Year's Eve and I was not going to make a video today, but I'm here at my in-laws house and I looked out in the distance and saw this huge cloud of smoke when I was rolling up the driveway. So I decided, well, I've got the Evo 2 with me, worth taking a shot. Let's fly over there and see what's going on. And was surprised the closer I got. Looked a lot like his old house. So turns out his old barn was burning down. It's a little ways off, and I caught it. Now I only had about 60% or whatever the battery drains to on the battery, so had to come back pretty quick. Just got there close enough to know it was in fact his barn. Now, as you can see here, his new barn doing just fine, but the old one not so much. Went ahead, drove over there and got some more footage for you. So check this out. Some of you, if you're familiar with the channel, you would have seen this barn a lot in some of our footage over the years, and the horses. So everybody's okay. The 2 donkeys and 3 horses are okay. So that's the main thing. But anyway, check out this footage. I'll get this up as quick as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. It is a sad day to see the old barn burn down. Feel bad for the new owners, but hopefully, they recover pretty quickly. And as I said, horses and donkeys at least are okay. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.